Hello everyone, this is Palkshta Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today we continue working with the Chanel style jacket. The design of the jacket is pretty simple, and so are the techniques for making the jacket. I really hope that you like the design. I want every one of you to be able to sew such jackets for yourselves. We showed you how to make a pattern, how to cut and tack the jacket. We also showed you how to stitch the polyester pattern to the main fabric. Today we're going to show you how to make welt pockets. Have a look at the picture once again. These are the welt pockets we're going to make. Natalie will help me today. Have a look here. I drew a rectangle with a piece of chalk. It's 6 cm wide and 16 cm long. The pocket is going to be pretty big. This is a piece of cotton fabric cut on the bias. I tacked it here for me to work more conveniently. It would be pretty hard to cut a pocket opening in the polyester pattern. This is why I attached this piece of cotton here. Don't think too much. Cut a piece of cotton on the bias and take it here. Make it bigger than needed. You'll cut all the extra pieces when the pocket is ready. I tacked the piece of cotton and drew the pocket off the camera. This is a future pocket bag. It's 20 cm wide and 20 cm long. I also need to cut a welt. I remind you that it should be 6 cm wide and 16 cm long. This piece of fabric is 14 cm wide and 18 cm long. I need to fold this piece of fabric in half and stitch the edges. The width of the seam should be 1 cm. The detail will be at the needed size when I stitch it. The welt should be doubled with the polyester pattern as well. It's different from the one we use for other details. It's much thinner. Due to this fact, the welt will be pretty soft when I double it. This is how the pocket is going to look like. Natalie will show you how to stitch the welt and how to make a pocket. First, we need to double the welt with a piece of interfacing material. When we do it, we'll attach the piece of polyester pattern to the welt. Natalie will show you what to do. Be very attentive. Natalie is doubling the welt with a piece of interfacing. Let's go to the sewing machine. We need to stitch the detail next. Natalie tacked the polyester pattern to the main fabric and drew a line in the middle of the detail. Next, we need to stitch the cotton detail to the polyester pattern so that the detail is strong enough. This has to be done. Next, we need to fold the detail in half and stitch the edges. The seams will be as wide as the sewing foot is. You can make them as wide as you want. We need to stitch the second side the same way. Let's have a look at what we got here. Natalie is trying to remove the tack-in. It's really hard to do it in garments with polyester batting. When you remove the tack-in, you need to cut the extra piece from the angles and turn the detail right side out. Make these edges of different width for the seams not to be too thick. Next, we need to tack the stitched edges from the right side for ironing. We don't need to tack the center seam. We'll iron it according to the seam. We need to turn the angles right side out accurately. We're showing you the most simple way for making welt pockets. Natalie is taking the stitched edges from the right side. When we finish taking the seams, we'll iron them from the right side. Don't press the seams too hard, they should be soft and beautiful. Let's go to the ironing desk. Have a look at the way Natalie is ironing the seams. She's being very gentle. You need to make the welt of the needed shape, but it should still be soft. If you press the welt hard, it won't look good. That's all for today. Next time we'll continue working with the welt pockets in the Chanel style jacket. We're Irina and Natalie. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.